Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I filmed just the eye look for today. I feel like that's the most complicated out of everything. If you like this look, I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve. It's dramatic, it's just bold and out there. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, just keep on watching. For this eye look today, we are going to be using the Beauties Cosmetics Smoke and Mirrors Essential Eye Styling Palette. And I am going to take that top left matte shade and put that all over my lid up into the brow bone. And I'm going to use this muddy color. It's a muddy gray color, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. And I really love this silver shimmery color. It is super pretty, and it's just perfect for just that shiny New Year's ball that drops, you know, the ball that drops down on New Year's. That's what this reminds me of. So next I'm going to take this it's a very good black on a blending brush. This is from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm going to pat that black in and build up the intensity, because that black, man, is super pigmented. So I'm just kind of patting it in there and focusing it more on my outer corner, and then I will take a clean blending brush and just kind of blend that softly into the inner part of my eye, towards the middle of it, trying not to disturb too much of that silver color. I felt like my eye needed just a little bit more of that shiny silver glow, so I was just adding some more on there. And I love to use our Stay Neutral in my waterline. It just helps open your eye and makes you look more awake. And when you're a mom, you need to look like you've gotten a full 8 hours of sleep. And this Stay Neutral helps with that. And then after I do the Stay Neutral in my waterline, I use an iconic black precision gel eyeliner. This is all from Beauties Cosmetics, and I put that in my tight line, and this helps make my eyelashes look a little bit fuller. And then I'm lining it at the bottom and smudging it out with that black eyeshadow, just to give it that smoky effect. This Spotlight highlighter is my absolute favorite highlighter to use. It is in the color Champagne Shine, and it's waterproof, and it lasts all day, and it just gives you that nice, beautiful, soft glow, and it's Champagne Shine. You drink champagne on New Year's, right? So it's just perfect. It's just perfect for this look. Next, I am going to do a wing with the Liquid Styling eyeliner. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, so I will figure out what it's actually called. But I'm taking our liquid liner and just kind of making little lines along the lash line and drawing out my wing, filling it in. The mascara I'm using is the Ultimate Black Max Volume Mascara from Beauties Cosmetics, and this helps to lengthen your lashes and not clump them up together, and it's just great for sensitive eyes. I put my lashes on off camera, but this is the completed eye look. I hope you liked it. Alright everyone, this is our finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, stay beautiful, be kind, be nice. It never hurts to be nice. Okay, just be kind to each other. I'll see you in the next one.